Piers is here, back at it again with a brand new video, guys. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing my new PC, and I want to thank Alex, Watson, and Terrence for helping out in today's video. I'll put the links in the description, check them out. So, without any ado, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Tyson Piers, I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Alright, I need a knife. There you go. I'm probably the best knifer in Call of Duty, but not in real life. Hallelujah! Jesus! Where to start? What is this? I think I'm gonna ask my buddy Terrence to explain what these parts are, because I have no idea.
Liquid cooler?
Alright.
For the CPU? Yeah.
Oh no, that's the case.
That's the case.
Okay. Bam.
Is your GeForce RTX 2070 Duke?
Huh?
It's your graphics card.
Graphics card? Okay.
Yo, c'est retardé, man. Ton jeu laggera pas for shit.
Oh, right on the glass, shattered. Fuck.
And we lift it. Oh shit. Oh! Let's go.
In the side case.
That's awesome. I like your knife, Alex.
Thank you.
Whoa. Okay. Okay. Elgato 4K 60 Pro, whatever. Alright. I have
These are memory sticks.
Memory sticks?
64 gigs of RAM.
Oh yeah, yeah.
4 servings.
Oh, I just saw the motherboard.
These are actually the 3200 megahertz.
Let's go, baby. Damn. And we got this. Wait,
That's the power supply.
I got this on the right here.
This is a hard drive.
Oh,
Hard
yeah,
drive?
4 terabyte.
Shit. What is that?
SSD.
SSD, okay.
It's your NVMe SSD.
And the only part I know, it's this one. Boom, the motherboard. There you go. That's nice. The Black Ops 4.1 RGB, is that it?
Yeah, you can do RGB.
Why don't you just take the knife?
Wow! No, it's
That's so
easy.
integrated Elgato.
And this is the i9, I think, right? That's cool.
That fucking
Oh, that is
packaging.
nice.
The packaging?
Oh.
It's
Yo.
gonna be, I've never opened one of those before.
Is it the
Chat.
27 inch?
Yes.
This is a 27 inch.
Yeah, that's the 32.
Washing. There you have it, folks. That's only one monitor.
Next!
Since we're just
Yeah, open it and put it back in.
I'm being very, very careful.
Careful.
Yep.
Probably packed right.
Just pull the box. I'll hold it. Oh. You need to stand for it, or are you gonna put it back in?
See this beauty? Yeah. There you go. Alright, we're done with the unboxing. Now let's start building.
Wow, what a rhyme!
Wow! It's that
I just
beautiful.
made my pee-pee go hard.